Hey guys, let's see how to fix clock app not working perfectly on iPhone. Whatever the reason, maybe your clock app perfectly is not setting up that alarm. It's continuously keep on going crashing your app. Yeah, might be that it's not going off. Whatever you're setting that alarm, your timer it's not perfectly working. Yeah, some your app is might be it got crashed. So let's see how to fix your clock app. So what to do first thing guys, just check is there any clock app open or not first. So if you have just open, just go and just remove that. Next thing what you have to do, just go for force restart. So in order to do force restart guys, just press the volume up button and immediately you have to press the volume down button and just press side button until your screen goes black completely. After doing force restart, now you go and check your clock is switched or not. Still not working guys, then we have to do the next thing. This time we'll check guys whether you have your clock app is update or not. So for that, just go to App Store and you can just check, might be that your clock app wants some update software. So just hit on that guys, and guys now you can see for clock it's showing open. That means there is no update. It's already updated, so no need to update your clock app. I will show you some another app which let me type and I will show you guys Prime. Amazon Prime Video. You can just hit here and just see this app wants to update. So similar way you just go and check in your clock app. You can just go for update guys, and just after doing update, just go and check your clock app. Hopefully it will work. If it's still not working your clock app, then this time we'll do. This time just go for delete this app and you can just press reinstall guys. So just for deleting, just go for remove app, and you can after remove app you can go to that app store and you can just get it from here guys. Just install the fresh one. After uninstalling and installing your clock app, if it's still not working, then this time we'll see, go to settings and just try to find general and just try to select come down. You can just see here transfer or reset iPhone, just tap on it and you can just see the first option reset, just tap on it, and this time you have to go for reset all settings guys. So guys, just go and check. If it's still not working your clock app, then this time you have to do go to settings and just try to find general, and this time you have to go and just check if there any software update available for you or not. So in my case there is no software update available, it's already updated. So just you have to go and update some latest software, and after that hopefully your clock app perfectly started working guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.